Hello vittu, nyt lähdetään vittu grindeihin Viro, Estonia, Tallinna, kaikki tykkää. Meillä on täällä tämmösiä ehdokkaita. Meillä on Anna-Maria Lapin. Meillä on Kätlik Laasik. Meillä on Trini Laanemäki. The Estonians best ones. Liisa Soe. Liisa Soe.
Soerli.
Fucking A, dude. Fucking A. Arvo Talalavev. Arvo Talavev. Arvo, you are the fucking A, dude. Fucking A. Marko Alari Lontti. Marko Alari Lontti. What the fuck? There it goes. It going like there. Yeah. Marko Roosipea Rospa. Sanotaan Rospa. Rospa, how are you? Fucking A, dude. Fucking A. Let's put it in the basket. Lauri Gängesep. From the Lasnamäki, straight out of Lasnamäki, I think. Or something. I don't know. Kristen Roadchef. Again. He's a fucking A, dude. You want to listen, you don't want to miss him. You don't just fucking want to miss him. Going here. And Carmen Kivi. Sexy as a motherfucker. Yeah. So what the fuck? Carmen! I hope I pick the Carmen. Let's pick somebody out. She's or he's getting the fucking prize. Kristen Roadstep!